Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this quick video I'm going to show you what our clear decking oil looks like on three popular types of decking board: Thermowood, Siberian Larch and Iroko. Suitable for all species of hardwood and softwood decking, our clear decking oil will protect and maintain while enhancing the grain and bring out the natural beauty of the wood. The oil is really easy to use. After thoroughly cleaning and leaving to dry, simply apply with a suitable brush, moving in the direction of the grain, making sure to cover all the wood including any edges. Apply the oil evenly until the wood has stopped absorbing it. After allowing the oil to penetrate into the wood for at least 5 minutes, it's very important to wipe away any excess with a clean pad. This will speed up drying times and promote proper curing of the decking oil. It's always best to apply several thin coats in this way rather than thick, heavy coats. After that, this will be showerproof in just 2 hours, but allowed to dry for at least 4 hours before applying a second coat in the same way. The colour will not differ from the first coat to the second coat, so this is what Iroko looks like with our clear decking oil, and here's what Siberian Larch and Thermowood decking look like after our clear decking oil has been applied. Our clear decking oil not only enhances the natural beauty of the wood, but it will also dry to a hard, durable, highly attractive satin finish, protecting against wear and tear while penetrating deep into the fibres of the wood, which will not only feed and nourish decking timbers, but will help prevent cracking, warping, splitting, swelling, and will prolong the life of any deck. With advanced weather technology, it provides excellent water protection along with helping prevent the growth of mould and mildew while reducing fading and sun damage. So, there are lots of reasons to use our clear decking oil on any timbered decking. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other products, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.